When dedication meets engineering, results speak for themselves. We just finished load testing these two CGM 500 kVA units. They are powered by Scania engine and Mecc Alte alternator with an advanced cooling system done by Flexxaire fan. We have an integrated control room with lighting, aircon and sliding access. Inside there is a control panel with DSC 7320 for master-slave operation and a three-way ATS 1000 amps for seamless power management. So what makes this project stand out? We use 20-foot high cube hyper-silent containers, just 60 decibel at 7 meters. Perfect for noise-sensitive environments. This isn't just a product, it's the result of responsibility, teamwork and trust. I'm so proud of what we've built and even more excited for what's next.